Hi everyone and welcome back to How to Physio. My name is Tom and today's video is all about Achilles tendinopathy. So I've divided today's video into 3 easy to follow sections. Section 1, what is Achilles tendinopathy? The Achilles tendon is the strongest and largest tendon in the human body. It connects your calf muscle to your heel bone. Find out why you may be experiencing symptoms, especially in the morning. Section 2, why does it occur? Discover the culprits behind Achilles tendinopathy. From internal factors such as increased overload due to training activities or a weakness in the posterior chain, through to external factors such as poor footwear or training surfaces. Section 3, how to fix it. The good news is Achilles tendinopathy is treatable. I'll walk you through a 3-phase rehabilitation process, and the objective is to increase your tendon's capacity without worsening your symptoms. Remember, it's all about gradual progression and a commitment from you. So here's a sneak peek into today's 3 stages. Stage 1, isometric holds. Stage 2, heel raises, jumping and more. Plus tips on returning to sport and results with consistency. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons if you'd like more helpful content. Leave any questions you have in the comments below, and let's dive into today's educational journey on how to physio. Section 1, what is Achilles tendinopathy? The Achilles tendon is the largest and strongest tendon in the human body. It connects your calf muscle to your heel bone. This provides support for running, walking, and jumping. Key symptoms to look out for are morning pain, especially after increased activity the day prior. Picking up these signs early can be crucial in the management of this issue. Section 2, why does it occur? Understanding the reasons behind Achilles tendinopathy is pivotal in preventing its occurrence and managing the symptoms. Here are 3 primary factors. Factor 1, overload. This is the most common cause. Tendinopathy arises when the demands of daily activities exceed your tendon's ability to cope with that load. Every person's capacity to deal with load varies on their activity level and fitness. Even highly active individuals can be susceptible if there's a sudden increase in demand, such as transitioning from a half marathon to a full marathon. Sedentary individuals are not immune either. A sudden walking routine can push their tendon beyond its capacity. The bottom line is often too much, too soon. The Achilles tendon is located at the back of the body. It collaborates with the hamstring and glute muscles to facilitate leg extension. Weakness in the glute or hamstring forces the calf and Achilles tendon to compensate for the decreased force. Strengthening the posterior chain is crucial to distribute the load more evenly and prevent Achilles tendinopathy. Factor 3, external factors. Overpronation of the forefoot caused by poor footwear can increase the Achilles tendon rate to failure. Running shoes or orthotics can help mitigate these issues. Also, training on hard surfaces or on heels can increase your Achilles tendon's rate to failure. Section 3, how do we fix it? The good news is that Achilles tendinopathy is a highly treatable condition. The key lies in increasing your tendon's capacity without worsening your symptoms. Here is your 3-stage rehabilitation guide. Stage 1 is isometric holds, 5 reps at 30 to 45 seconds. Begin with double leg holds and progress to single leg holds. But the goal is to exercise with a slight amount of pain, around 3 to 4 out of 10, without exacerbating symptoms, immediately after the exercise or within the next 24 hours. Stage 2, heel raises, 3 sets at 20 reps. Initiate with double leg raises and progress to single leg raises. Aim for a controlled ascent and descent, around 2 to 3 seconds each way. The focus here is on control to prevent overloading. Stage 3, jumping, 45 seconds. Progress to hopping exercises and introduce variety with a skipping rope. Include hamstring bridges and glute bridges, transitioning from double to single leg variations. The key is consistency and gradual progress. Aim to complete these exercises once or twice a day, 6 times a week, and start at a level that produces less than 4 out of 10 pain. The exercises should not flare up your symptoms the next day. Progress to the next level when you feel your tendon can handle it. Returning to sport. For those eager to get back to sports, start with sport-specific drills and gradually work your way back into full activities, guided by your pain level. For example, a tennis player would begin hitting the ball against the wall, move to a light game, and then progress to a full game. Remember, results will follow consistency, graduated progress, and commitment. Drop any questions you may have in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe and follow us on How to Physio, and I'll see you next time.